welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a stunning wedding dress and a dress to impress. Okay, let's get into it, guys. First of all, I'm going to go to the dressing room, and then I'm going to use this dress from Coach item. Oops, sorry. Okay, I'm going to use this dress, and then I'm going to use dress from the currency item as well. I'm going to use the skirt, okay, from which set, and this one as well. Okay, and then I'm going to exit first, and then I'm going to color it white, but I'm going to use pattern to make it looks more captivating. I'm going to go to the pattern, and let me choose the white pattern for all the dress. Okay, and this one, oops, sorry. I'm just going to make them have same pattern. Oops. Okay, now it's done, and then I'm going to add sleeves to this outfit, and then I'm going to grab this sleeve. Okay, and I'm going to choose the same pattern, and let's try this one as well. Okay, and this is the final result, and then you can combine it with the other accessories or necklaces, or it's up to you. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create a stunning wedding dress and dress to impress. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.